AFME was really founded as a response to the dreadful events of the financial crisis and the turmoil that it created in the real economies of Europe. And in particular, it was a response to ensure that culturally and by way of product development and deployment, that the solutions the industry was coming up with were going to be fit for purpose to support an agenda that was sustainable and capable of financing the requirement for jobs and growth in Europe. The board of AFME is constructed from senior representatives from the major banks and broker-dealers based around Europe, and it is absolutely committed to ensuring good governance, great standards and transparency to support liquid wholesale capital markets. Well-functioning capital markets are really important for the European economy because they provide the resources necessary to finance jobs and growth and also manage risk. Capital Markets Union is a very constructive and well thought through response to how to ensure that there are more markets for capital available to European companies and issuers of all sizes and complexity. AFME has produced a critical number of reports on the growth agenda, and those have ranged from sources of capital for private placement markets, infrastructure, small and medium-sized enterprises. The most concrete achievements to date have been hard work on identifying and providing constructive solutions for some of the obstacles associated with the jobs and growth agenda in the aftermath of the financial crisis. Trust and confidence is critical for well-functioning liquid wholesale capital markets, and the industry is working exceptionally hard to maintain the integrity so that capital markets are trusted by policymakers and citizens in Europe. AFME has provided a forum for the industry to come together and debate some of the really challenging issues associated with repairing the capital markets of Europe. The challenges and opportunities remain to fully embed Capital Markets Union throughout the European economies and ensure that there is a well-functioning, transparent, liquid capital market and markets for capital available for all member states.